Hello everyone, welcome in today's episode of Jubaat Stories. I'm your host Aditi and today we have a very innovative and creative mind with us. Mandy Rellan, the visionary founder of Ux by Mandy, the most celebrated fashion label of Agra that seamlessly blends traditional craftsmanship with contemporary aesthetics. Mandy is known for establishing a brand renowned for her innovative designs and commitment to promoting sustainable fashion. Mandy has established as a symbol of elegance and creativity. So join us in today's conversation as we are going to know about her journey, challenges and what she is going to make a change in the future fashion industry in India. Hi Mandy, welcome to Jubaat Stories. How are you doing?
Hi Aditi, I'm really doing very well.
I'm feeling very good to have you here because I think we are going to know something really great about the fashion industry today.
I'm so excited to share whatever
All
is
of the
there
insights
in
with us.
everything. Yes.
Okay. So, Mary, looking back, uh, from the beginning when you go to school, I started feeling like I want to be a teacher. But then when I grown up, I felt like nahi, I wanted to be a doctor. But
Hmm.
then lockdown came, and then I felt like ki, nahi, yaar, I should be a content creator. I should influence people through my content. So there were things that I faced. There were some inspiring moments. So, what was your inspiring moment that made you feel that you wanted to be a fashion designer? That too of a men's, like you established X Alpha first in 2000, back in 2018. So let us know about your journey and X Alpha.
So we've been doing UX from 2011. So we
Okay.
started with FEM. We started with Women first, and then Alpha in 2018.
Okay.
So जैसे आपने बोला ना कि पहले कुछ बनना होता है, फिर कुछ
हाँ
होता है, फिर कुछ
हाँ
होता है.
हाँ.
ऐसे काफी moments मेरे साथ हुए हैं. I aspire to become an IAS officer.
Okay.
I then landed up to a corporate job. Okay, and then for 6 years I was doing a corporate job. I got married, I had a little baby. She was a little small. So when she was small, I quit my job. So when I had quit my job, I was sitting at home for almost a year.
Okay.
So sitting at home for a year, I was like, अब rational decision लेना है, कुछ तो करना है, because as you say कि खाली mind शैतान का घर.
हाँ, right.
Right. So मैंने सोचा कुछ करना चाहिए. So I took a rational decision. I started Ux. Ux मुझे एक देखा कि एक void था market में western clothing, contemporary clothing का. So I thought let's start something like this and do it in a corporate way. Like I use techniques like that time laptops were not used in studios.
Right.
There was very normal setup of studio. We created a very pretty kind of a studio, with polka dots and stripes, black and white culture. We did, visitor books and all. So, that's how I started Ux.
Okay.
Around 14 years back.
Okay, it's been a long time that you have established it. So, what was your thought of keeping the name Ux by Mandy, especially that word Ux? From where did it came out?
So Ux, basically, the heart of Ux is like it's a reflection of you.
Okay.
So what we do at Ux is, we want to portray you as like what you are, with a bit of styling and elegance from our side. And we want that when you see the reflection in the mirror, you love yourself. So
Right.
that's the story behind Ux.
Behind Ux. Okay.
Yes.
So, it's been more than 14 years of Ux by Mandy, and definitely there would be a day I would be coming to your studio and would love to explore your designer outfits.
Totally. I would love to design something for you.
Thank you so much. So, there is a common question that came into my mind. Like,
Yeah.
it's been more than 10 years in the industry.
Hmm.
Like, what vision do you have for Ux by Mandy?
I want to open multiple stores all over India, and I want to actually take Ux to even international places like London, New York. That's my vision.
Is there any Indian designer that inspires you a lot?
Sabyasachi Mukherjee. He really
I
inspires
love
me.
his bridal collection a lot.
And the way
Especially,
he's crossing international borders, and he's taking Indian heritage to all
right,
over
right,
world.
right.
It's fantabulous.
You just follow his work
Oh,
regularly.
lovely.
Closely, you follow him.
Closely, yes.
Okay. So I think you might have some dreams as well to work with him someday.
I wish. Why not?
Everybody wants to work with such a big designer of the industry.
Seriously, it'll be a dream come true, I think.
Okay, so is there any speciality that you would like to highlight about Ux by Mandy?
Um, Ux is handmade, what I feel, and we are doing pieces with a lot of love, and each and every piece is curated with a lot of detailing, and it is customized as per the person who's gonna want wear it. So I think that's our specialty.
Okay.
And you get what you want. I face this problem. बहुत बार होता है आप कहीं कुछ लेने गए, यूजुअली मेरे साथ हुआ है बहुत बार. आप गए, आपने बोला कि ये आपको ड्रेस डिजाइन करनी है. ओके, दे से कि हाँ ठीक है. जब वो ड्रेस बन के आती है तो वो कुछ और ही बन जाती है. ऐसा मेरे साथ 2-3 बार हो चुका है.
Right.
एंड आई वाज वेरी, मुझे ये था कि ऐसी चीज नहीं होनी चाहिए किसी के साथ. तो अक्स पे वी हैव द ट्रस्ट ऑफ द क्लाइंट्स एंड दे ट्रस्ट अस. हम जो कमिट करते हैं, that's what is delivered to the client.
I think then in that way we can say that Ux seamlessly blends traditional craftsmanship with the contemporary aesthetics, right?
Yes, we are totally doing it since I love Western clothing and
Okay.
contemporary clothing. So
You're personally your major interest is in Western clothing
Western
is only.
clothing, yeah. So we
Okay.
blend the traditional artisans of the art of India into modern way. Like we have done a lot of suits in brocades and all. The pantsuits and all. So yes, we blend it together.
Okay, that's
Even the
great.
draped saris,
Okay.
Yeah, so we are modernizing the saris also.
Definitely, I would going to be your client one day for sure. So after knowing, because I'm also like I love traditionals a lot, but that too with the touch of modernity.
Yeah,
ठीक है?
everyone I think needs a little modern touch to the
हाँ.
whole thing. Like
Right.
nobody has the time to drape the sari, or they don't
Nobody.
know it. So,
That's why pre-draped saris are in the trend these
yeah,
days.
yeah.
Yeah,
They're
so
quite
it's
a
like that.
range. Yes,
Huh.
they're quite a range, and it's one of our speciality.
And I have seen in the market, especially for those who are choosy. I'm talking about myself here
Yeah.
because I'm very choosy in case of buying any outfit.
Yeah.
My mother is like, when you will be getting married, we have to start with the preparations 6 or 8 months before.
Yeah.
Because I am a person like, मुझे कोई outfit एकदम से अच्छा नहीं लगता, कभी नहीं लगता. I have to go to the 8 or 10 stores, तभी जाके I would be getting one. तो वो एक आउटफिट लेने में it used to take more than 3 to 4 hours. तो my mother gets कि भाई तुम्हारी शादी की शॉपिंग के लिए दिल्ली जाना पड़ेगा. But now I have the solution. I'll tell her Ux by Mandy is there, mummy. You don't have to worry about that.
Seriously,
My
I
choices
really
would be
feel
there.
कि जो भी लोग दिल्ली जा रहे हैं,
हाँ.
it's quite a pain. Recently, only one of my acquaintance told me that she had a terrible time, flocking Delhi, आना जाना, फिर trials manage करना, है ना?
बहुत
It takes
difficult हो जाता है.
it takes a toll on you. And Agra has amazing designers. I have a lot of I can name a lot of designers who are there in traditional also, contemporary also. So I really urge all the people of Agra to just shop for all their bridal things in Agra. And we do a lot of trousseau also, So everything can be customized at one place. What is the hassle of going to Delhi?
Okay. So now let's hop on to next question.
Oh, I'm waiting.
Okay.
Shoot.
Okay. So see, being a woman entrepreneur, like especially when you are married and you are a mother of 2 children, ठीक है? So managing things at a time gets really difficult. You are running a very good business, you are a very good mother also, and you are a very good wife as well. So how you balance that work life and your personal life with all of that too with a very great, like How do you do it? Because I'm very curious to know about it.
See, in that way, I really feel that I'm blessed. I'm blessed with a very loving and very supportive husband.
Okay.
And even my in-laws, my father-in-law and my mom-in-law, they are super supportive. I have seen people struggling around with a lot of things, but these people are like very supportive. So with management of everyone together, it is all sorted. So I don't face any difficulty.
But still, see, there are times when children are like, "Ki nahi, I want to spend some time with mama," but then mama is busy with the things, with the clients and everything. So, sometimes it's like it becomes very heart quenching to see like my child wants to spend some time
Yeah,
with
we are
me.
like every woman entrepreneur. I think that's the biggest challenge of being a woman entrepreneur.
Yeah, that's the biggest
That
challenge.
you are somewhere inside guilty ki, you have not given enough time. So
Huh.
I also face it sometimes, but I'm blessed that I have my working unit right next to my house only. So it's very easy for me to connect to my kids, and even they can come to the studio.
Okay, that's great.
Yeah, so
Okay.
yeah, that
That
way I'm
means
blessed.
Aks
Thank you,
by
God.
Mehndi Studio is a child-friendly studio. Children can come there.
Yeah, why not? Yes, yes, totally.
Okay.
We love having kids around.
You and I love kids a lot. Then my mummy is like, kids पे ध्यान मत दो, focus on your careers first. नहीं 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 यार, ठीक है, it's okay. So, like we have talked about your journey. ठीक है. Now we would be talking about your challenges. ठीक है,
Okay.
majorly your challenges. Um, like it's very difficult. Sometimes it becomes very difficult for a woman to take forward things in a systematic manner. हम जो सोचते हैं वो हमेशा नहीं होता है. कभी क्लाइंट्स के साथ कुछ इशू हो जाता है या कभी कोई चैलेंजेस आ जाते हैं. बिजनेस इज फुल ऑफ चैलेंजेस. So would you like to explain or tell us about any one of those challenges that you might have faced in these 14 years span of time?
See, I have taken challenges majorly head on, so whatever life gave me, it is said, when life gives you lemon, so I have made mojito with that. So, मेरे को शुरू से ही मेरे डैड ने बताया था कि कोई भी किसी भी चीज़ से घबराना नहीं.
Hmm.
तो आई टेक चैलेंजेस हेड ऑन, और मुझे ऐसा नहीं लगा. पर हाँ, एक बार ऐसा हुआ था because of my nature of being a workaholic.
Hmm.
I had a major burnout condition,
Oh.
and I didn't know what is burnout. But then few of my friends told me, that why don't you see a doctor? एक बहुत सोशल बड़ा टैबू है ये.
हाँ, you
कि
should go
भाई
to a doctor.
हाँ, doctor. So I consulted somebody in Gurgaon, and she helped me, and she told me that it is a burnout. And within a month or 1.5 months, I was cured. But that was a big challenge when I was like, I was facing what is happening to me.
Hmm.
That's a very different kind of feeling. I think a lot of people face it, but they never consult a doctor. So I consulted one, and
I think that came out as a very good decision of yours.
I'm sure,
Is it?
because I think 1.5 month I was cured. अगर उसको linger on करो आप, तो it can lead to depression and lot of
Exactly.
other things which people face. But जैसे अगर आपको बुखार होता है, आपको डॉक्टर पे जाना है, ऐसे ही अगर if you're facing some illness, mentally, then why
Hmm.
don't you see a doctor? I have a mentor. I mean, I keep consulting her all the time. Whenever I feel a little low, I just consult her.
कभी self doubt हुआ?
Self doubt नहीं हुआ कभी भी.
You are a very confident,
I have been confident, and I think my dad gave me that power. Since I was a child, I was infused with so much of confidence he had in me. Even if I would do this much, he would say कि आपने ये किया, and so I've never experienced self doubt.
He just uplifts you a lot, and that just pumps up that motivation you have, then you just keep on going, that
Energy
too
and
with the
motivation
dedication.
given in my childhood by my parents, especially my dad. I think it has never occurred inside me. No self doubt.
Then I don't think so that you might have faced any challenges like being a woman entrepreneur, because you have a very supportive dad, like you have a very supportive mother as well, you have a very supportive husband and in-laws as well, right? Because in these days, if we say, still people are very orthodox on this part. Like, you are a woman, now you are getting married, you don't need to work.
ये मेरे साथ हुआ था जब हमारी शादी हुई थी अराउंड
हुआ था?
16 years back. नहीं, I was the only person I think उस time corporate world में I was doing job, पर हमारा जो पूरा society था they were like this only कि कुछ problem है कि she is working and all that. But thankfully again my in-laws were like very progressive, बिल्कुल भी conservative नहीं थे, उन्होंने कुछ भी ध्यान नहीं दिया, पर लोगों ने ऐसी बातें करी थी.
I wish I would be getting the same in-laws in future.
But you have to choose your life partner well, I think.
So what are your tips of choosing a right life partner?
See, I feel a person who supports your dream as good as his dreams, and a person who considers your dreams as at par with you. वो है ना एक गाना, संग रही हो. I love
हाँ,
that. So ना आगे रही हो ना पीछे रही हो,
संग रहे हो.
संग रही हो. So I think अगर आप वो गाना सुन चुके हो तो
that is one of my favorite songs in the playlist I have.
So that's my favorite too. So life partner ऐसा ही करो, ऐसा ही choose करिए जो कि आपके संग चले. So yeah, that's my tip.
Thank you so much for sharing that tip. So we have talked about Ux by Mandy, your journey, your challenges. Now we are talking about Chamkila that created buzz in the city. So let me know that how did you plan it and how things will, like, एकदम से idea कैसा आया कि नहीं I want to do it or I want to plan it in a way.
चमकीला के नाम से ना मेरी आंखों में चमक आ जाती है.
वो already बहुत आ रही है यहाँ पे.
So yeah, this year we have done 3 campaigns. We started with Galaxy, which was quite a hit. Then we did Sun Sea Sand SQ, which was very good. And then we came with Chamkila. So Chamkila is inspired by when it's all dark and dingy around, But there's something inside you which shines. So that's Chamkila. So shine brighter. So, sparkle on. So that's the idea behind it, which I really feel I wanted to promote with Chamkila. और आपने शूट भी अगर आपने देखा हो, so it's all dark dingy. एक हमने बहुत पुरानी ऑयल मिल थी जो कि अब एक स्टोर है, it's a workshop. वहाँ पे पूरा एकदम खराब में बहुत ही अच्छे आउटफिट्स के साथ हमने वो शूट किया था, which was quite a hit. And it was very well, I think, embraced by all the people. And one of the stars also wore it recently, one of her alpha outfits. So that was quite a proud moment.
That was a proud moment. Definitely, it was a proud moment. I think this was something which was happening for the first time in Agra, right?
Yeah, I think so. Yes.
है ना?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. I think it's
because I have seen your behind the scene video. You got up, I think at 4 or 5 in the morning.
That was
You
earlier.
planned a shoot at 6 or 7 around, I think. Am I right?
Yes.
तो I think इतनी जल्दी उठना सुबह, then you have to plan up the things, then you have to rush for the shoots and everything. I would like to more into deep about this.
उस दिन तो सुबह 4 बजे सूरज निकलने से पहले I was up and I was quite shocked कि ऐसा कैसे हो गया. But yeah, I think the passion which I have for my work, I think that
that made you to wake up in the early in the morning.
We didn't eat anything. I had my breakfast, lunch, everything at 4 p.m. In the evening.
Okay.
Yeah. So
that's quite late, but you should not have do that.
I know, but वो पता नहीं, I don't know, when you have a passion for something, you can't stop yourself from doing it. So yeah, it was an amazing day, and all the people who shot with us and the team who shot with us,
I know few of them, Tanya Dadlani and
and we have amazing talent in Agra.
Yeah.
Why people call people from Mumbai and Delhi and everything.
I don't understand that point. Like,
I always
Agra talent से भरा पड़ा है.
Even
but
Alan
people are not able to find it.
आपको spot करना है. Even Alan Kapoor, the TV actor.
हाँ, I know him. I have seen his daily soaps.
Yeah. Okay. So he shot with us. So हमें यही था कि आगरा को ही promote करना है. So we called him. So he's a friend. So he came over and.
अच्छा, he's your friend.
Yeah, he's Yeah, he's a friend.
Okay, okay. So, how was your experience? Like, how was your experience in working with him for Chamkila? Was he very supportive?
Super
How things
supportive, super
went for
cool.
you?
I think, yeah, I think he was a. There were five people who were shooting with us. He was the second one.
Acha,
Come, yeah,
I know Piyush as well.
yeah. Piyush is a gem of a person. We've been shooting with him since 2018 now.
Acha,
Yeah, we launched Alpha with his face. Yeah.
okay.
Piyush is really, really good. Yeah, Tanya, Piyush, Muskan, Alan,
Working
everyone.
with all of them was a great choice for you.
I loved each and every one of them, and even the people who shot behind the scenes, they were also really, really good.
Okay. So, as I personally know
Hmm.
that the results after the Chamkila was very great.
Oh yes.
There was like, was there any particular outfit that was loved most by the people of Agra?
I
Personally, you.
uh, See, if I talk about the people, I think the Alpha uh, tuxedo,
Hmm.
which Alan wore, I think that was a hit. People are drooling over it. We're getting a lot of orders on that.
Hmm.
And personally, if you feel, I love the lavender lehenga which Tanya Dadlani wore
Even lavender is my favorite color.
with a
I
power
have,
shoulder. It
huh,
looked amazing. Yeah,
it
I
looked
loved
amazing.
it.
It actually looked amazing because I think it is the perfect choice whenever you are going for a cocktail or something.
Yeah, it's a good
Is
for a
it?
bride or a bridesmaid, both.
For a bridesmaid as well.
Yeah,
Then I'm
why
going to
not?
be bridesmaid in January. I'm coming to you tomorrow.
Yippee, we got time.
Okay. So, what do you think that, like, what is the point? What is that one thing that created a buzz about Chamkila?
Everything.
The
It was a
hard work that
teamwork.
you put in,
It was a teamwork, I would say. It
that
was
hard
a
work you put
teamwork
in,
of
huh?
30, 40 people all.
Okay.
The karigars who made the outfit, the karigars who stitched it, the people
Hmm.
who portrayed it,
Hmm.
everything together. I think the whole team, the credit goes to
Because
everyone.
I was able to see that how much
Yeah,
you people have put in, like your
yeah,
hard and work, everything was. I was able to see that. Especially Tanya's outfit
yeah.
attracted me.
Okay.
How much time did it take for the craftsman to like just
I
do it?
think full outfit, we almost took maybe around 15 days or something. Yeah, the full outfit.
That one outfit took 15
Yeah,
days.
15 days. Yeah.
And what about the tuxedo that Alan wore?
That was around 5 days.
Okay.
Yeah, that
So
took
an
5 days.
outfit,
We had to really work on that.
the detailings and everything.
The shirt he wore, that took a little while. Yes. Yeah,
Okay.
and we did a lot of uh, uh, we experimented a lot with what had to go here and
Huh.
here. So yeah, a lot of things go in making and even designing. So it's a long process, but it's lovely. When you see the whole product in yourself, it's amazing. You feel good.
Okay, Mandy. So, since we all know that you established UX by Alpha in 2018, so like being a woman designer, how you get the ideas that we have to create the tuxedos in this manner, or how you keep on updated with the trends yourself, like whenever you are planning an outfit for any men, like in Agra or something, when for your clients as well. तो हाउ यू कीप योरसेल्फ अपडेटेड, लाइक नहीं मुझे ऐसा करना है या ऐसा डिजाइन करना है या दिस इज द फैब्रिक दैट वी आर गोइंग टू यूज, तो हाउ डू यू डू ऑल दैट प्लानिंग बिकॉज यूर अ वुमेन डिजाइनर, so especially being a woman designer, have you faced any difficulties or something?
See, I'll tell you that I have not studied designing at all. So
Okay,
everything
that was something major I came to know.
yeah. So everything I've learned is from internet. So I think internet is like encyclopedia. आप search करो अगर तो research करो तो everything is there. So we find inspiration from Hollywood, Bollywood, and there are a lot of fashion shows which goes around all over the world. So that's where we get the inspiration from, and then you learn, you know, so you do a lot of research and development, and that's how you get inspired कि हाँ ये trending है, ये चल रहा है, you know, और उसमें थोड़ा सा अपना creativity आप infuse करके and then you create, and time लगता है थोड़ा सा, but it you get a hang of it, I think. Yeah.
So, like, is there any particular fashion show that you follow or you love personally as a fashion
I
designer?
like Zohair Murad, the fashion shows a lot. I like Paris Fashion Week also a lot. Then I closely follow Lakme Fashion India Week and FDCI का जो भी होता है. So सबसे बेस्ट है वो Instagram पे आजकल live fashion shows जो आते हैं.
हाँ.
So ऐसा नहीं है कि you know you can't see, everything is available. So even if it's happening in the 7 continents कहीं पे भी, so I keep watching all these fashion shows. So I love
Okay.
watching them.
Okay. So, I think last year Cannes happened
Yeah,
in
Cannes,
2023.
Yes.
So, there was an influencer, Nancy Tyagi.
Nancy Tyagi. Oh, I loved her
Okay.
outfit, you know, which went
हाँ. So, I think what made her viral was her Out of the Scratch series.
out of the Flat series. Yes.
So, what, like, can you just, like, would you like to comment on something on her outfit?
I was very inspired watching her out of Scratch series.
She went viral after that.
And the kind of detailing and everything which went into that outfit, she showed it very beautifully.
हाँ,
you know,
that's
she
the best
portrayed
part.
it very well. And I love the confidence of that girl also, क्योंकि मुझे पता चला था कि मतलब I read about it कि I think वो जा नहीं रही थी, but her mother pushed her.
She was not going. She was
Yeah,
not
yeah.
at all interested,
So
because her father was like कि नहीं तुम मत जाओ, तुम क्या करोगी
but
वहाँ
yeah,
जाके,
her mother
right?
supported her.
हाँ.
So and I really get inspired by you know, Scratch से जैसे outfit बनता है ये वाला. I plan to do it very soon. I'm planning कि हम लोग भी वैसा कुछ करें, because making of an outfit is a beautiful story, you know, and we would love to tell it to all our you know, people who are following us.
Okay, I think we all know that the outfit she wore took more than 30 days.
I'm sure it must have. Yes.
It must have.
Yeah, must have.
Okay, so would you be planning to make it someday, or in a adding that traditional or contemporary touch of by Mandy?
We did something very similar to it in Shantae 2019, which was a fashion show.
Okay.
It was quite an iconic fashion show. We did it in Howard Plaza.
Okay.
And we did something very close to that in red and maroon ombre. I love that dress. I still, you know, feel very good when I think about that dress. It was very close to that. Yeah,
Okay.
but Nancy's dress was more.
It was very appealing and very eye-catchy. The
Yeah,
way
yeah.
she
It had
carried
more
it,
detailing. It had more detailing.
it had more detailings, and the way she carried it and the confidence
What?
that she has is just amazing.
Brilliant. Yes.
So, since we all know that wedding season is going on, right?
Yeah.
So, like for the day functions, what sort of outfits you would like to suggest to our audience, and what sort of outfits we can wear at the night as well for all functions or festivities that we have?
See, for the day, I would suggest bright colors these days. You know, we are doing a lot of bright colors. You know, we did a bright yellow, bright pink, and a bright blue. So that looks really, really good on in day functions. Even pastels also. Even pastels also look sometimes good. But these days we are doing a lot of bright colors. They look very good. And in the evenings, I really like champagne gold, the color hues of champagne golds in the
Okay.
evening. And even the dark plum color, that's also trending a lot. And
These
people are
days.
embracing a lot of reds also, yes.
These days brides, what I have seen in the like in the industry as well.
Yeah.
Recently, like yesterday only, Shobita got married with Naga Arjuna. She ditched the bridal look, like relating to other 6 Bollywood celebrities like Alia Bhatt did, Patralekha, the very own wife of Rajkumar Rao. They all wore saris. So, what are your views on that? Ditching the bridal look of that very heavy lehenga and then wearing a very good looking Kanjivaram, that heavy look sari.
See, I really feel that we should all move to sustainability.
Huh.
So, you know, I really feel that you should always opt for an outfit which you can wear it again. And sari is, you know, an outfit you can just pass on to, your next generation also. You can wear
Right.
it like 10 times, even if you change your shapes, you can wear it. So, I mean, if you ditch the, I think if you ditch the
It's a
lehenga
very
and
good
you,
decision, right?
I think it's a beautiful decision to switch to sari. I love Alia Bhatt's look. And I really think that if you want to move to even Katrina Kaif also wore
Huh,
sari.
she also wore a sari. Yes.
So I think we should move towards saris. Why not? I mean, saris look really, really good.
Because I found this thing very relatable to myself. I told my mother as well that mummy, I'll also be wearing a very good sari only.
Why not?
Then I will get a very good veil that
Veil.
customized, that
Veil,
veil,
yeah.
that veil customized
Yeah.
by a very good fashion
You add
designer.
2 dupattas to it, you add a veil,
Haan.
and you make it grand,
That can be a very
Ah.
good decision,
Yeah,
right? Because our ancestors or like our grandparents or parents are like कि नहीं शादी में तो सारी दुल्हनें लहंगा पहनती हैं, तो they have their thoughts. तो it's sometimes like कि नहीं यार ठीक है जब होगी तब देखेंगे.
How about making a sari which looks like a lehenga also? You know what Alia
That's
Bhatt-
what my thought is
Yeah,
personally,
so what
because
Alia Bhatt wore to Cannes, so that's something. It was a mix, so it's
mix of
contemporary
it,
wear.
and I really loved it. I really loved
So
her
you can
look.
always experiment. You can go to a nice designer or a stylist.
We already have a nice designer with us today, and I think you would love to do it for me.
I would love to do it.
So, like as a woman entrepreneur, what has been the empowering moment for you?
Empowering moment for
हाँ.
me as a woman entrepreneur.
Hmm.
अदिति, हमने ना एक शो किया था ताज इंडिया फैशन वीक 2018 में
Okay.
क्लास में,
Okay.
where we did उस टाइम मी टू का मूवमेंट और ये सब चल रहा था.
बहुत चल रहा था.
So that's when we did पूरा portrayal of fashion as a women, empowered woman kind of a thing.
Hmm.
So we did the showstopper dress was a lady in flames, Durga.
Okay.
एंड पीछे हमने जो बैकग्राउंड में म्यूजिक था वो दुर्गा मंत्र चलाया था. एंड वी फिनिश्ड विद देयर इज दिस अमिताभ बच्चन का पिंक का एक
हाँ.
वो है एक सॉन्ग,
Right.
वो चलाया था.
Okay. I think
So-
I can recognize that
हाँ.
song.
So I got goosebumps when it was all happening. So I think that was the moment which I can still relate to. And we got a standing ovation that day for doing all that. So
That day you felt like you won in life?
I really felt there was something बहुत proud और बहुत अच्छा सा feeling था अंदर से, बहुत अच्छा था. It was lovely.
It was
And
lovely.
I'm so happy that we did that. We took that to the fashion show. So fashion in a way is a speaking out something you want to portray. So we did that well that time. Yes, it was
Okay.
lovely.
So, like, what do you think that women are bringing as a leaders in the fashion industry?
I think women are. I really feel I mean, no offense to male entrepreneurs and designers, but I really feel if women are. I personally have a bias. I think women are more creative, and they have more patience in doing creating something handmade and all. So I think that is it.
That's what they're bringing to the industry these days.
Yes.
Is there any particular woman fashion designer that inspires you a lot?
Anju Modi, Ritu Kumar.
Okay,
Yeah.
Ritu Kumar is one of my
Yeah,
favorite because
I
I
mean-
just love her outfits.
She started, I read about her journey. She started with a very small setup, and look the way she's, what she's achieved. So
Yeah,
that's very inspiring.
that's very inspiring for you. Okay, so I think we have had a word regarding your journey. We have had a really great conversation about your challenges and Oxfam Mandy. So now moving ahead, I would like to know what advice that you would like to give as an entrepreneur to the aspiring fashion designers.
The advice which I would like to tell people is that ज़्यादा सोचो मत, जो दिल में है कर लो, you know. कभी जब तक ट्राई नहीं करोगे तो पता कैसे चलेगा कि वो गलत है कि सही. So I really feel जो भी दिल में हो आप करो, ट्राई जरूर करो उसको, because there will be 100 voices when you start something ना, there are 100 people, 100 things coming. ऐसा होगा, नहीं ये मत करो, वो मत करो. I'll tell you very frankly, when I started ARCS, I started in a servant quarter.
What?
Yes, I started in a servant quarter. We changed a servant quarter into a studio, half workshop and half studio. There was only one tailor.
Okay.
And there were very limited funds that time with me. So रात को मेरी बेस्ट फ्रेंड और मैंने बैठ के वो पोल्का डॉट्स पेंट किए थे, क्योंकि we didn't want to spend so much for the correct painter. तो सबसे बड़ा इन्वेस्टमेंट एसी का था, because people wanted to try clothes, you know. So सबने बोला नहीं, सर्वेंट क्वार्टर में कोई नहीं आएगा, you know. ये अच्छा सेटअप नहीं है, because the kind of niche I'm catering to. So a lot of people said कि they will not come. But see, here we are today and we started that small. So वो सारे voices जाने दो, जो दिल में है आप करो, ट्राई करो, अच्छा ही होगा जो होगा.
That means you are the गीत of your life. मैं अपनी फेवरेट हूँ, जो मुझे करना है मैं करूंगी, और अगर कुछ भी होगा तो I will be responsible for it. And you have built such a what I would say, like celebrating fashion label in Agra.
Thank you.
And you are the face of it. So that's what you have did. These are the results. What you have did.
This compliment I have
received.
Thank you, Aditi.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Because even I feel like when you want to do something in your life, my motivation is I want to make my parents proud of myself, and I want to hear that statement from my younger brother कि मैं भी कुछ करूंगा ऐसा जैसा ये कर रही है. तो when you are getting to hear that कि your younger brother is also wants to run on the path that you are running on,
you have more responsibility.
I have that. I personally have that, and I have heard that statement, and I think that was the proudest moment of my life.
That's great. Yeah.
That's really great.
I'm sure you'll make everyone proud.
Definitely one day.
Yeah.
Okay. So moving, like we had words, like we had a conversation about all the seriousness. बहुत serious conversation कर ली. अब थोड़ी सी fun और hearted conversation करते हैं. गीत वाली conversation करते हैं. So if we would say that Ux by Mandy is a movie, what would be the name and what soundtrack you would choose for it?
Okay. Movie. There's this movie, Pursuit of Happiness. Okay. I would name my movie as Pursuit of Creativity. Okay. Because creativity is which landed me to Ux.
Okay.
जो आया वैसे किया और अच्छा हुआ. Creativity is where I started, and here we are. So Pursuit of Creativity.
Pursuit of Creativity. I would love to watch that movie one day if you make it. And what is the soundtrack that you are going to choose about it?
I love the soundtrack Sky Full of Stars by Coldplay. So
okay, yeah. Coldplay is one of my favorites band.
Yeah.
Like मेरा अब तक का favorite band है वो. Like One Direction भी है, Maroon 5 भी है, but Coldplay is like when I feel very sad or something like that. So that sound, that songs that they have, that Yellow.
Oh, that's
and
one of my favorites too.
Yellow is one of my favorite.
Yeah.
Their
do you like Sky Full of Stars?
Sky Full of Stars, and their one more song is there, Hymn of the Weekend.
Oh yeah, I used to love that.
I love that song.
Yeah.
When I'm in a very stressful
I used to love that
when I'm in a stressful situation, जब कोई ऐसी situation होती है, I'm feeling very stressed. I used to go on my terrace at the middle of the night. I used to hear that song, and then spending 10 to 15 minutes and that hearing the same song on repeat.
Okay.
It really calms me a lot.
It calms you a lot.
Like listening to Coldplay has been the reason for me to come out of that stressful zone and everything.
I wish to see his concert someday. So I haven't.
We will go together.
Yay!
Okay. Looking forward.